Oh, I'm nervous.
You got this.
Oh, I want him to do well. Oh, they liked it.
Remember me. Don't let it make you cry.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Angel. This little cutie on my lap is Boo. He's my cat. I know you can barely see him, but okay. You'll see him in plenty of videos. Sorry. We're going to do a super quick intro today. If you want a longer one, be sure to check out another video. Also, thank you for all of the love and support. Even though it's the very start of the channel, you guys have been so amazing. I can't thank you enough. But like I said, this is going to be super quick because we're just going to get into the movie I'm watching today, which is Coco. And I believe it's from 2017. One of the few things I know about it is that it's an animated movie. It's on Disney Plus, so I believe it's by Pixar. And then it's about a boy and his guitar. And I think it might be centered around the Day of the Dead as well. And those are the only things I know about it. Kind of seems like a lot, to be honest. But I hope that doesn't give too much away, because I like going in knowing as little as possible. I do know I like animated movies a lot. It's been a while since I've seen a newer one. I consider this, if it's 2017, I consider that really new. Fairly new. Thank you again for being here, and if it is your first time, and like I said, welcome to the start of the channel. Be sure to leave a like if you like it at any point, and we're just gonna hop right into Coco. The full length is available on Patreon. As always, thank you so much to my top tier space patrons. You guys are the best. Here we go, Coco. If I keep saying it, I'm just gonna want hot cocoa, but those of you that have been here, you're like, oh, I'm not surprised. I like that. That version of the Disney.
Sometimes I think I'm cursed. A long time ago, there was this family. The papa, he was a musician. And one day, he left with his guitar and never returned. She didn't have time to cry over that walkaway musician. After banishing all music from her life, she found a way to provide for her daughter. She rolled up her sleeves and she learned to make shoes.
Cool.
She could have made candy, fireworks, or sparkly underwear for wrestlers.
I love shoemakers. Spark.
Chose shoes.
Taylor? No, is there another word?
Her son-in-law. Her grandkids got roped in.
Got roped in. This is neat how they're doing it.
My great-great-grandmother, Mama Imelda.
Wow, she's so pretty.
She died way before I was born.
Oh.
Tells her story every year on Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead.
Oh.
She's my great-grandmother, Mama Coco.
Oh.
Hola, Mama Coco.
That's Coco?
Has trouble remembering things. It's good to talk to her anyway. So I tell her pretty much everything. But now I go like this, it's just way faster. No dimple, no dimple.
Miguel,
What a good kid.
more.
No gracias.
I asked if you would like more tamales.
See?
Gosh.
No music.
Oh, no.
No music.
Family in Mexico hates music. I am not like the rest of my family. Hey, Nati! Shake!
Dante. Dante's Inferno. It's a fun game.
The greatest musician of all time.
Ernesto de la Cruz took his first steps toward becoming the most beloved singer.
Oh, is that... Oh, I thought maybe that was the relative.
He made people fall in love with him. He had the coolest guitar. But my all-time favorite, it's...
Remember me.
The voice, I know that voice.
I can be.
I'm not gonna worry about it.
Until 1942.
Love the colors.
Just like him.
Wow, this movie is really pretty.
He could play music. Maybe someday I could too.
Is he the one that left the family? No, the time. I don't know if the time went out.
Shoe shine, not your life story.
Oh. I just can't really talk about any of this at home, so.
The music competition for Dia de Muertos should sign up.
My family would freak.
Come on, what did De La Cruz always say?
Seize your moment?
Show me what you got, muchacho.
Oh. What's a shoemaker called? Cobbler. Is that right?
Miguel!
Abuelita!
Are you kidding?
Keep away from him.
Yeah.
You will come home now. Go away, you! Go!
It's just Dante.
Never name a street dog. They'll follow you forever.
So? Go get my shoe. She's lucky she's funny.
We're having this talent show.
What are you gonna do? Shine shoes? Oh!
It's the other.
Good. I really like the look of the characters, the design of them. And the way they're talking feels very real.
We put their photos on the ofrenda so their spirits can cross over. Don't put them up, they can't come.
It's such a beautiful tradition.
All this work to bring the family together. You sneaking off to who knows where? Where are you going? Being here for this family. I don't want to see you end up like
Mama Coco's papa?
Never mention that man. He's
Repeating what you said.
Papa is home.
Mama.
Oh.
Papa is coming home.
No, Mama.
Who are you?
Rest, Mama. Miguel? Miguel?
Oh, it's you. Someone could hear me.
He has a guitar.
Perfecto.
Wow. Wow. I understand. Being passionate is important. Oh!
It's not just in me, it is me.
He's putting on a movie, guys. He's like us. He's watching an old movie. That means a lot to him.
Follow the rules, but I must follow my heart. You know,
Smart little kid. Uh-oh, am I gonna need tissues for this movie?
I am done asking permission. When you see your moment, you mustn't let it pass you by.
The courtyard, Nikos.
You want it down by the kitchen?
See? Next to the other one.
Get under, get under.
It's time you joined us in the workshop.
What?
No more shining shoes.
Dante! No, Dante, stop!
Please, Dante, no, stop. Please, Dante. Oh, no. Please, no. Please, no. Please don't. It's okay. You can fix it. Hey, it is. No wonder it looks like it. Yeah. It literally looks like a...
Coco, is your papa Ernesto
I
de la
mean,
Cruz?
I'm an adult, so it's kind of easy to figure out. Or is this a misdirect? Sure looks the same. Wait, no, there was something...
Coco's father was Ernesto de la Cruz!
What are you talking about?
What is all this?
Oh, no.
No!
Mama!
With your family.
I don't want to be in this family! You guys have a spare guitar?
No.
I need a guitar just for a little bit.
Get out of here, kid.
So beautiful. This had to have won awards for music. I had no idea. The music was so good in it too. So pretty. He's gonna take his actual
sorry.
guitar.
Miguel, your great-great-grandson. Borrow this. Seize my moment.
Cool. What's up with the leaves? I mean, what did that do? I know why those were. Somebody said they put them there to. They noticed really fast. Oh my goodness.
It's not what it looks like. De la Cruz is my...
There's nobody here.
Did this just turn into It's a Wonderful Life?
Little boy, are you okay? Here.
So he's... Are these all the people going to visit their graves? So he somehow went on the other side. I'm curious how. What happened? Is the guitar cursed? That is so neat.
Dante?
Cool, he can still see him. Oh, God. Animals.
I'm sorry.
Miguel?
How do they know? His family.
You can see us?
Remind me how I know you. We're your family, mijo. Tia Victoria?
He doesn't seem entirely dead.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That looks really, really good. I would have liked to see this in theaters.
Welcome back. Anything to declare?
Some churros from my family.
Oh, cool.
Oh, your photos are in your son's ofrenda. Have a great visit. Gracias. And remember...
That's neat.
Frida Kahlo. Shall we skip the scan?
Well, shoot. Looks like no one put up your photo. Frida. No photo on an ofrenda. No crossing the bridge.
You know what? I'm just gonna zip right over. You won't
So if nobody put up their photo.
almost there.
Oh, no. Ooh, that'd feel horrible. This feels like a nightmare. Go back. Quicksand.
Hola.
Says here no one put up your photo.
My family always puts my photo on the ofrenda.
Are they the one that they wouldn't come through? He broke her photo.
We ran into
Miguel?
Mama Imelda.
She's the one that started it all. Whose husband left. Whose baby girl is the one... Whose baby girl's Coco?
But I wasn't stealing the guitar.
Guitar?
It was my great-great-grandfather's. He would have wanted me to have it.
Whatever he is, I am terribly allergic.
He's allergic.
I have a nose, and yet here we are.
My photo of the ofrenda?
It was an accident.
To get your family's blessing.
That's it?
But you gotta do it by sunrise.
your hand.
Ah!
Oh my goodness. It's like Back to the Future, but with skeletons. Oh, yeah. That...
Get your blessing right now.
Nice.
Miguel,
Nailed it.
I give you my blessing. Go home, back on the ofrenda, to never play music again.
What? She can't do that.
Well, technically, she can add any condition she
What? No. No. Wait, it worked? Oh, cool. Oh, wait.
No skeletons. Plaza, here I come.
Seconds and you already break your...
This isn't fair. It's my life. You're Oscar, Felipe, Tia Victoria.
Come on.
My way or no way.
You really hate music that much? Con permiso, I need to visit the restroom.
They don't have a restroom.
There are no restrooms in the land of the dead.
Right? Follow Dante.
Listen, you get me across that bridge tonight.
Whose voice is that?
La Cruz, he and I go way back. I can get you front row seats to his Sunrise Spectacular show.
My living family. So I'm letting you off.
I know his voice. Cheech Marin.
You really know De La Cruz?
Who wants to? You're alive.
And if I want to get back to the land of the living?
Good sound.
What?
Ugh.
Is he? He is. He is De La Cruz, isn't he? He sounds the same. Is that him?
You can help me. We can help each other. But most importantly, you can help me.
Miguel! Ah!
I'm Hector.
That's...
Hector.
I need my spirit guide, Pepita.
Pita. Oh, whoa. It's like a griffin.
That is a doorknob.
Cool.
So listen, Miguel.
Man, I have a perfect shirt to wear. Oh, well.
To cross the bridge and visit the living on Dia de Muertos, unless you're me.
Why does he want to go so bad?
No one's ever put up my picture. But you can change that.
You?
Oh, okay.
Muy guapo, eh?
He's not him. I thought maybe he was the singer.
Cruz is a tough guy to get to, and I need to cross that bridge soon. So you got any other family here, you know?
Nope.
Don't jack my chain, chamaco.
Only De La Cruz. If you can't help me, I'll fight it myself. Andinen.
No, skeletons don't walk like that.
It's how you walk.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do, dude.
Because I happen to know where he's rehearsing.
Be in here.
Wow. Okay. That thing looks so cool, though.
Yo!
Oh
How did
my
you get in
goodness.
here?
I just followed my...
Oh! Guided of wandering spirits.
Neat.
The alebrijes of this world can take many forms.
Who is she? I like her.
Or maybe he's just a dog. Are all me.
And they go to drink from the milk of their mother, who is a cactus, but who is also me. But tears.
Some music.
Oh, what if you did like tung 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 tung? You have the spirit of an artist. He's too busy hosting that fancy party at the top of his tower.
Whoa. Oh, gosh, it looks so pretty.
At my great-great-grandfather's blessing. You know where I can get a guitar?
Oh, he's turning into a skeleton.
I know a guy. Hey, no way. We're all the ones with no photos or ofrendas. No family to go home to.
I have another thought. Is Hector his grandpa actually somehow? And it didn't go as planned or something. Like, that's why his photo's not up.
Me and my friend Miguel, we really need to borrow your guitar.
I don't know though. I've been wrong so far about everything.
Oh, you see.
Oh, my good napkins? My lasso? My femur?
No, not like those times.
Where's my femur? You...
Whoa.
Fading, Hector.
Oh, they fade?
You know I don't play anymore, Cheech.
Play anymore? He's gotta be. He is the kid's grandpa though. His picture's not up. Kid thinks it's somebody famous, but it's gonna be him.
Well, everyone knows Juanita. She'd possibly give me a chance.
Gracias.
Happening.
He's been forgotten.
I could remember him when I go back.
No, it doesn't work like that, chamaco.
Sweet kid.
They have to be passed down by those who knew us in life, in the stories they tell about us. But there's no one left alive to pass down Cheech's stories. Taught him everything he knows.
No manches. You played with Ernesto de la Cruz?
And he stole his stuff or something.
His music? Not so much.
You don't...
It was all his.
Showtime, chamaco.
He like wrote his music for him.
Ticket, muchacho.
Let the competition begin!
Well, what are you gonna play?
Definitely remember me.
Ah, it's too popular.
Remember me, though I have to travel for remember.
Oh, wow.
What about Poco Loco?
Epa! Now that's a song. You have to loosen up. Shake off those nerves. Get out.
It's just like Simba trying to do his first roar.
Grab their attention.
Come on. Oh, I'm nervous.
You got this.
Oh, I want him to do well.
What's he doing? Why isn't he playing?
He's nervous. Oh, they liked it.
What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You tell me that it's red, mi amor. Where should I put my... You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Now count it as a blessing.
You happy? Please, oh. He sounds so good. I like this song.
Hey! I'm proud of you.
To the name of Miguel. Earlier tonight, he ran away from his family. They just want to send him back to the land of the living.
You said De La Cruz was your only family.
I need a musician's blessing.
You lied to me!
Oh, you're one to talk.
I'm being forgotten, Miguel. I don't even know if I'm gonna last the night.
No, Dante, stop it! He can't help me! Dante, stop! Stop it! You're not a spirit guide, you're just a dumb dog!
No.
And you are going home.
I don't want your blessing!
He's just hurting. Oh, the dog. That look. Dante.
Music's the only thing that makes me happy! And you want to take that away?
Mm-hmm.
You'll never understand. I thought you hated music.
Loved it. I remember that feeling. And I would sing.
She can't stand it.
But when we had Coco, there was something in my life that mattered more than
Coco. Her baby.
he wanted to play for the world.
I don't want to pick sides.
Yeah.
Be on my side. That's what family's supposed to do. But you never will.
Oh. Oh, God. It's so cute when he does that. Oh.
I need a favor.
I thought he had been in the drum. A snare, whatever it is. Snare drum. I don't know my drums. Cool. This is so, man, I love, this looks really neat.
De La Cruz.
I hope he's nice to him. Oh my gosh. Actually. I don't hurt Boo. This is so neat. I love how it's different music, and as soon as he walked in, you could hear the different. Oh, cool. Oh, they did it into a skull. That was neat. This is so neat.
He will listen to music.
That sounded so good. Who's this kid's voice?
For this music is my language and the world es mi familia.
No. Oh, whoa. Oh no.
It's you.
Your great grandson.
have a great-great-grandson?
I need your blessing.
My boy, with a talent like yours? How could I not listen? I have a great-great-grandson!
Yeah, definitely. I don't think it's his grandson, but this was sweet nonetheless.
Fans in the land of the living.
Oh, oh, so cute. Wow. This guy is full of himself. He's nice, but he just is using Miguel to because he wants to show off Miguel.
Frida! I thought you couldn't make it.
You promised, Miguel.
Hector?
Please, Miguel.
My friend, you're being forgotten.
And whose fault is that?
Hector, please.
Those were my songs you took. My songs that made you famous.
What?
If I'm being forgotten, it's because you never told anyone that I wrote them.
Crazy. De La Cruz wrote all his own songs.
We made a great team, but you died and...
Did he die young? I didn't even realize. Or
See my girl. Ernesto.
My girl.
There. And you told me you would move heaven and earth for your amigo.
Heaven and earth? Like in the movie?
What?
This calls for a toast to our friendship. I would move heaven and earth for you, mi amigo.
But in the movie, Don Hidalgo poisons the drink.
Salud.
I got homesick.
You want to give up now when we're this close to reaching our dream?
This was your dream.
I'm going home, Ernesto. Hate me if you want.
He poisons him.
Oh, then I'm sending you off with a toast.
Pain in my stomach. I thought it must have been something I ate.
Perhaps it was that chorizo, my friend.
He's the reason he didn't have a grandfather. He doesn't even know that. I know that's his grandpa, though. He couldn't even go back to his family. I know I wasn't the only one who figured out that there was the grandpa, too.
How could you?
Hector!
Security! Security!
I just wanted to go back home.
Say the name of your family. Oh, I wish you'd have said it. Oh, no, he still thinks that's his grandpa. It won't work good.
Miguel, my reputation, it is very important to think.
That you murdered Hector for his songs?
I don't think that. Do you?
No. Papa Ernesto, my blessing?
Security, take care of Miguel. He'll be extending his stay.
What? But I'm your family!
Hector was my best friend. Success doesn't come for free.
Get the picture somehow.
Seize your moment. I know
No! Ah!
Remind me of the Goonies. Oh, stuff with water like that creeps me out so bad. Oh my gosh. It's I love it, but I hate it. Oh, it's so creepy. It's like in Sea of Thieves, playing Sea of Thieves. It scares me so bad to jump off the ship into the water, but I love to do it because it's so scary.
I want to go home!
Oh, baby. That wherever he is looks so cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad for him. I don't want to see a little kid hurting.
Oh, Hector! You were right. I should have gone back to my family.
You're okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
Hector!
She's forgetting me.
Who?
My daughter.
Coco. Coco. That's why it's called Coco.
Never should have left Santa Cecilia.
I wish I could apologize. Tell her that her papa was trying to come home. My Coco.
Coco?
He never saw the picture.
Where did you get this?
That's my mama Coco. That's my mama Imelda. Is that you? Family?
Hmm. Even though I knew it, they didn't know it.
I always hoped I'd see her again. We put up my photo.
She talks about you all the
It never
time.
happened.
She says, Papa.
Even if I never got to see Coco in the living world, I thought at least one day I'd see her here. The moment she's gone from the living world,
You disappear.
Oh no.
you know, I wrote her a song once. We used to sing it every night. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. Each night we are apart. Time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only until remember me.
You should be the one the world remembers, not De La Cruz.
I'm okay.
A minute ago, I thought I was related to a murderer. You're a total upgrade. But now I know. It comes from you. I'm proud we're family. I'm proud to be his family!
I'm proud to be his family!
This is so well written. Hey.
Imelda,
Hector.
Hey.
you look good.
You guys haven't talked. You look good. He is a spirit guy.
Whoa!
Just like spitting. You'll get the hang of it, Dante. Keep practicing. Dante's. I want to see Dante flying around more.
Goodness, we found you in time. How many times must I turn you away?
Imelda.
I want nothing to do with you.
He tried to get back.
He was just trying to get me home. But he was right. Nothing is more important than family. To accept your blessing and your conditions. I need to find De La Cruz to get Hector's photo.
What?
So he can see Coco again. Try to go home to you and Coco, but De La Cruz murdered him.
Yeah.
Imelda, I'm running out of time. It's Coco.
She's forgetting you.
If we help you get his photo, you will return home. No more music.
Family comes
Aw.
first.
Gosh, I love her outfit. I want her outfit.
So how do we get to De La Cruz?
She'd be fun to dress up as for Halloween too. Nope, next year I'm being RoboCop. I already decided. No. And I want to be Ripley next year that we can be with Boo. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, I forgot about her thing. This lady's awesome. I wanted to see this. Go drink from her cactus. Her tears. Oh, I love this woman's. You look so cool.
Here, let me help you
Don't
with...
touch me.
Indector's photo.
Give it to Miguel.
Send Miguel home.
Dang, he looks so cool.
That's for murdering the love of my life!
About me. I'm the love of your life.
I don't know, I'm still angry at
Aww.
Related to Hector?
The photo!
Grab it! Why'd you say? Don't yell.
you! After him! Miguel, I have it!
Ladies and gentlemen, come on!
I hope she sings.
Ay, de mi llorona. Ay, de mi llorona. Llorona de azul celeste.
Ay de mí. Aunque la vida me cueste. Ay, ay, ay.
Aww.
I forgot what that felt like.
Musician, you're just the guy who murdered him and stole his songs.
Murdered? I am the one who's willing to do what it takes to seize.
No!
Where's the dog? No. What about the photo?
Mi familia!
Murderer! Murderer! What's that from? Oh, The Lion King. I killed Mufasa. Please, yes. Yeah.
What did I miss?
I loved that so much. I'm so...
Coco.
No, we can still find the photo. Miguel, I can't leave you. I promised I'd put your photo up. I promised you'd see Coco.
Are you kidding? Please.
I just wanted her to know that I loved her.
No, Papa Hector, please.
Go home.
I promise. I won't let Coco forget you.
That somehow worked. part of the conditions, right? Somehow.
Where have you been?
Ah, I need to see Mama Coco, please.
Hurry.
Mama Coco, remember Papa? Please. This was his guitar, right? He used to play it to you. See? There he is. Mama Coco, please, don't forget him.
What are you doing to that poor woman?
You apologize to your Mama Coco.
Sing. Remember me. Remember me.
Your Papa, he wanted you to have this.
Mama.
Remember me.
My heart.
To travel far, remember me. Know that I'm with you, the only way that I can be. Remember me.
Elena, what's wrong, Mika?
Nothing, Mama.
My papa used to sing me that song.
Power of music.
He loved you, Mama Coco. Your Papa loved you so much.
The photo. The parent trap moment.
When I was a little girl, he and Mama would sing such beautiful songs.
Daughter Coco could sing the lyrics for all of your favorite songs, not just Remember Me.
Oh, wow.
Doria and those two, Oscar and Felipe.
Oh, the baby.
And they're counting on us to remember them.
It's good though. It's beautiful.
That I'm crazy or call me a fool.
Enjoy your visit, Hector.
But last night it seemed
Coco.
when I opened my mouth, what came out was a song.
The lyrics to the song.
On the strings of our souls and the rhythm that rattled. We'll live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón. Every beat of my proud corazón.
Is that what you look like in the... Are you actually really big? I needed this. All right, guys, that was Coco from 2017. I'm a little overwhelmed. Oh, gosh. All in a good way. It's all happy emotions now, but it's still it's overwhelming at the end. So, so good. Oh man, I am so happy I watched that, especially now it's the week of Thanksgiving, and I feel like that was the absolute perfect movie to watch about family. Man, they did it really, really well. The main reason okay. Oh, I think I just need a minute to gather myself. There's a reason I'm so emotional. Obviously, if I get emotional in a movie, obviously it's because the movie's done well and stuff, but just the same as all of you, it's because apparently it's triggering something personal. And this triggered like multiple things, especially at the end all at once. Okay. They handled love in this movie so well, all around. It had love from every perspective, even love between animals and people. But they had the love of the family. Obviously, the main theme in the movie is just your family and the love, and how people around you can even be family. Whatever your family is to you, the love that you share with that family. And then the love of relationships in general, of friends and loved ones and people that maybe are no longer with us. And it obviously, that was a big theme of the movie too. So if you've known someone that's passed, and there was just a lot in this movie, and they handled it so beautifully, so tastefully, and an entertaining way too. The story was so great, and I don't feel like, since I figured out, I feel like many people probably figured out along the way, okay, this is probably his grandpa. That's how it's going to turn out. Because it kind of, seemed like they were kind of going that route, like that little twist. It didn't even matter that I knew that twist was coming. That had nothing, that didn't take away from the feeling at all. One of my favorite parts was when he, this movie was so good. One of my favorite parts was when he found out that that was his grandpa. They handled that part so well. They didn't have him like be all super disappointed and stuff, which I know obviously he just found out the other guy was a murderer. But even still, they could have had it more drawn out and be more dramatic, and him be all like, "Oh, you're actually my grandpa." No, they immediately had him be like, "It's late," or I'd be like, "What are they like?" Yay! Do his yell, and oh. Like that's such a chilling moment. It gave me chills like in the it's so good when he did that yell, and then he did the yell in return. But yeah, that was one of my favorite moments. And the singing, the the songs were some of the best songs I've heard in movies, and especially in animation movies in a while. Oh, I can't wait to download the soundtrack. I didn't even know. I didn't know the one Spanish song that she was singing when she started singing. And all of I didn't know any of the lyrics, obviously. Well, not obviously, I could have, I guess, but I didn't know any of them. It was one of the best songs in the movie. Because you didn't have to know it, you could feel it. It was so good when she was trying to like give the picture back to him. Each song, they evoked the emotions so well. I felt like my soul was just like exploding. And then how it ended with the perfect song. So yeah, he's talking about how his soul and soul and string and all that stuff. I don't remember the exact words, but it was so good. That was such a good ending. The part with Coco, you guys, I don't have to repeat all the sad parts. They did all the sad parts really, really well and so beautifully. I think this movie was just so beautifully written, so tastefully written. It handled all the aspects of love. Like I said, even the relationships with animals. And I love that the cat That makes me so happy because now I can just imagine that that's where actually Boo is. He just goes to that world and he's this freaking like griffin cat creature. And then when he comes here, he's just a cat. But that was really cool. And I like the the dog and the cat dog. Alone in the world with a little cat dog. I'm glad they were together. And I could talk about this movie a long time, but I'll just say a few more things. How visually it was one of the most beautiful and like animated movies, not only with how they did their perspectives. Besides that, the colors were so amazing. The animators they did such a really this movie blew my mind. Even if it hadn't been like a good movie and a good story, I'd been like, okay, wow, this movie looks really good. But obviously the story was terrific. I love that it was a sad movie. Not sad. It had those powerful moments. It should say powerful. Powerful emotion evoking moments, but how the overall emotion is so positive and happy to where you can still want to rewatch it a bunch. It's not like it was so powerful with just sadness, because some movies are really, really good, but the main emotion you feel like are sad, so they can be tough watches. It's hard to watch them. It's hard on your soul to watch it over and over again, no matter how good it is. For instance, Logan, like that movie's great, but that's rough to watch over and over again. That tears at your heart. This is one that, it has all these emotions, but if I put this on again right now, I would be so flippin' happy. So good. I can't wait to just give a bunch of family a hug and friends. And I'm a big fan of love, so bravo movie. You handled love and represented it so well. And just made me literally, like I said, want to go give all my friends and family big hugs and show them all my love. I love all of you guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked this movie. Wow, what a movie. Oh, let me know who the voice talents were. I am Angel Lynn Groves. I just said my full name because I'm so upset. I could not believe I was so enthralled. I didn't even look at I was clapping my hands at the crew because it was showing off who made the movie at the end, that I didn't even leave it to look and see who the cast was and who did the voice talents. And I am a fool for doing that because they did amazing, and I'm sure I would have recognized some of the voices on there. Well, I guess you guys can let me know who the voice talents were. Guys, that was Coco from 2017. If you can't tell, I really liked it. Gonna go get some tissues. Okay. Boo, did you like it? He's like, Mom, it's late. Okay. Hugs. Go give your family some love, friends love, whoever you consider your family. Thanks again for being here, and Boo and I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.